Don't do that. Welcome back to the Gospel of E. Today's project is to install these louver doors, bifold doors, onto this opening, and this will be the last thing that I need to do in order to finish up this room. So having said that, I need to go get my tools. All right, and starting from the right to the left, first thing you need is your tape measure, a level, a hammer, a pencil. I have both a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver. I have my screw gun with a reversible Phillips and flathead. And the reason why I have both this and these is because sometimes the angle can be a little bit strange and this will not fit. So I have these just to finish things off. And then if you don't have a second drill, that's fine, but I do. Here's for the drill bits, and that's what you gotta have. So first thing we need to do is open these. Now these louver doors, unfortunately, are ridiculously expensive. They come up to, I think mine came up to about $150 each, and you can maybe find them down to 120, but pre-COVID they were I want to say around $80, $90 at Lowe's. So I had to buy these online, and they were about the same price. But you know, I hope they're good, and they're solid wood, which I like. Okay, so it comes with two little things, little red spot containers, and they have all your little hardware here. And then this one has the track. Okay, so the track here, and we'll talk about it a little bit later, has an adjusting bolt to slide it so you can correct the angle of the door. And then in here you have the bottom track, you have the handle, you have the pin that holds it, several pins actually, and then in here you have this little metal bend piece that essentially, when they come together, it kind of forces them to be straight. Okay, looks good. Yeah, let's speed it up a little bit though. Let's see. Now I tightened them. So here is the little bit more challenging piece. So this plastic piece has to make it into a hole right here, and then there's this adjuster screw so it can slide back and forth. And at the same time, the bottom needs to go in. Okay, it's being held in. Okay, so the one thing that we need to do is adjust the distance here so it's even all the way down. So as you can see, the little adjuster thing is sliding. So you want to bring it to about the same distance. One of the ways I do it is usually I put my fingers all the way down to see if it is close enough. Well, it keeps it, there's always a little bit of play and that's fine. But this, then you open, you want to make sure that the edge does not rub. And mine does not. It goes all the way to the very end. Another thing you want to see is whether this is lopsided this or the other way. So if you have a small level, put it down here. And you can't see it from there, but it's dead center, which is very good. Now the hard bit about this one is you need to make 100% sure you're drilling it straight. There we go. All right, good to go. All done. Stick with us next week for the next project. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this week. Be blessed.